All right, guys, so you know how much I love a sale, and I am doing some baby gifts right now. And so my local Michael's had these Iron-On Designs on sale, of course, and they were just a couple of dollars, maybe like $2 or $3. And so I bought a few of them, and I'm going to now iron them on using my Cricut maker. So just wanted to share that process with you. On one of these, I'm going to just do a vinyl of the little baby's name. So I will do that as well. So enjoy. Right, so the package says to set it at 340 degrees for 10 to 15 seconds. So I just went with 12. Okay, so for the next few moments, it's going to just show you the same process like 4 times, just because I really want you to see it and get it. As you can see, the first step would be to take that easy press and to go over your t-shirt, your onesie, whatever you're using to put that design on. Then you're going to put your design down in the location wherever you want it, whether it's over and making it into on a pocket, or in this case, of course, it's in the center of this onesie. So you put that down, you put the easy press over it, you hit the Cricut button so that the timer can start. You're pressing down on the Cricut. Press, because it is a press, so you need to press down on it. I find that it adheres better when you do so. And when you wash it, your letters don't start popping back up on you. So you want to make sure you have the pressing part in there. Once that timer is complete, then you are just simply pulling off that transfer paper, tape, and then you're moving on to your next project. You're done. You've finished it all. So as you can see the process over and over again, it's so simple. It's so easy. Quick way to make gifts and just wonderful things for people, so, or for yourself. So if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for when more videos like this come out. I thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of Cricut's products, they will be listed down in the description box below. A lot of them are containing sales right now, so click on one of those links, buy what you need, make your own gift, have some fun with crafting. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you all the next time.